Hi, okay, so in this video what I want to show you is the new front page rotating images, how you can set those. This is a new thing, and we've got it not only now for the main page, but we can now also set these up for any other pages you like within the site using various images. So I'm showing you this on Steve's site here because Steve's actually used all of the options for this. So we've got rotating images here on the home page. We've got another lot here on the lesson requirements or the essentials page here, and you'll see that these are actually set in a different style. So let me show you very quickly the differences between these. In the control panel, if you go to editing and front page slider effects here, you'll be able to see that the styles, there are at the moment 3 different styles, but this will grow. The styles is really just like the way the buttons look, and you know, the text at the bottom, etc. And you've got different transitions as well, so you can change those depending on the site package you're on. So you've got bronze, silver, golds, etc. So obviously the golds have the whole lot. That's really just how it works. So let's say, for argument's sake, we just want to try the squares. So you just select the one you want, click on the view demo, it will load underneath, and then you'll see the effect there. And you can just try different ones depending on what you want. Okay, so there we go. And then here you can then set it, use it on the front page, or use it for the in-page sliders. The in-page sliders being these, the ones that you set for any page. Obviously the home page ones are this, and this also takes effect on the individual area pages as well. Alright, so that's nice and simple, how you set the styles for those. Now what you want to do, of course, is actually set the content, tell it which images you want to use. So back in the panel, if we go to editing and slideshows, and what you can do is you can create a new slider, or you can edit an existing one. So here let's use the one that's on there. So if we go to lesson essentials here, that's what Steve's called it, and we just click on go, and you'll see here just at the top, just very quickly, if you want to change the name of it, you can do that there. And this is purely for your reference, just so when you're looking at the list you know kind of what one is what. You can delete them if you want to. Then just save that info. Now you can also now very easily display it on any page, and what it will do is give you a list of your pages that are available for you to put it on. You can't load these onto the home page because it will conflict with the rotating images that are already on there, and you can only have one per page. Alright, so if you've set it on a page, and you'll see that I've just got this temporarily on actually on Steve's contact page here, and that won't show up in this list. Alright, so you can't kind of add it on that way by mistake. You can actually add it anywhere in the text you like. By using the button, it will set it to the top, but by clicking on by putting this little snippet of code, the slider ID and then the number, that will actually you can put that in any page in any position you like, and it will just show up where you put it. Alright, now a new change from this was you can now use images from your gallery as well as from the image management page, which I thought would be a very handy thing. Whereas before, and you'll see Steve here, what he's been doing over time is just loading the pictures that he takes of his pupils. So he gets them in the gallery, but then he has to do them again in the image management. Now you don't need to do that anymore. You can just load them in the gallery, and you can then use them. You'll see, in fact, these two here are from the gallery, whereas the others were already on there from his image management page. Alright, so to add a picture in, let's say we want to add this one here, it's literally just click on the button, and there we are, it's added. It's as simple as that. So let's just take him off again. So you can muck around with these, you can change them about, you know, and just kind of keep them up to date and fresh. And that's literally it. If you change it here, that immediately takes effect on the site. All right, so that's the kind of slideshow setup. Now there is a third option for these I wanted to show you. So if we've got this is the Lessons Essential slideshow. You can also go into your prices, so you go price editing, and we'll just use it on this one here, the introductory offers here. Use slideshow, just put Lesson Essentials from this list where you've got use slideshow. Your slideshows will all be available here. Click on the save, okay, and you'll see that it's now selected that. And if we go to his prices here, we'll refresh the page, and in the description we now have his slideshow comes up. All right, now just one point with this, you'll see there's a lot of blank space down here. All right, now that is caused by one of the ones from the gallery has got quite a lot of text, and if I just give that a couple of seconds to load, I think it's the next one. There we go. You can see there's quite a lot of text in there. So to avoid that, what you can do in your panel again, you can go to Edit Gallery Listings, select the one you want. Now I've got to remember what her name is. It's I think it's Anika, isn't it? Yeah. And click on there, and then what you can do is actually just take any part of that. Okay, so let's put that in and put it in the snippet and save that. Okay, and then when we go back to the prices page here, you'll see that now there's not that massive space underneath, because it will pick up that snippet rather than the full description. All right, so that can be quite useful on here. So there we go. That's it. That you can now do these slideshows wherever you like. Oh, by the way, sorry, on the prices you can have multiple ones. You're not. There we go. There's another one there. You can have them on every price if you wanted to. Do bear in mind, of course, that the more images you're loading on a page, the longer it can take. So, you know, kind of doing tons is not really advisable. All right, so now we're set. I'm just going to undo the bits and pieces that I've done on Steve's, but that's it. It really is as simple as that. So hope it's useful, and I hope you'll get the most from it. Okay, bye for now.